Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge International AS and A Level Pure Mathematics 1 paper for the session October November 2025 and the variant is 2. Let's move to the question number 1. Express 9 x square minus 36 x plus 8 in the form of p times x plus q whole square plus r, where p, q and r are the constants. We have the 9x square minus 36x plus 8. We need to make p times x plus q whole square. So we will take 9 common and this will be x square minus 4x and this one will be plus 8. Now we have to make x square minus 4x complete square. So 9 times x square minus 2 times x plus 2 square minus 2 square and then plus x. We just add and subtract the 2 square. So 9 times x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 8. Multiply by 9, we will have 9 times x plus 2 whole square minus 36 plus 8. And this will be equal to 9 times x plus 2 whole square minus 28. And you can compare it with this one. This one is p, this one is q, and this one is r, which is negative 28. Part B. Hence find the set of values of the constant k for which the equation 9x square minus 36x plus 8 is equal to k has no real root. We know that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. And if discriminant is less than 0, then the root will be complex. If d is equal to 0, then we have real roots. But same. If d or discriminant greater than 0, then we will have real roots but distinct. So in both cases, we will have real roots. And the question says that this equation should not have any real roots. So in this case, the discriminant should be less than 0 so that we can have complex root. We have the equation 9x square minus 36x plus 8, and when we switch k on the left side, it will be minus k equal to 0. And in this case, a is equal to 9 and b is equal to negative 36 and c is equal to 8 minus k. And discriminant should be less than 0 means b square minus 4ac should be 0. Plugging the value of ABC, we will have negative 36 square minus 4a means 9 and this one is equal to 8 minus 3 less than 0. Negative 36 square can be written as 36 square minus 36 times 8 minus 3 less than 0. And taking 36 common, we will have 36 minus 8 minus k less than 0. Further solving, we will have 36 minus 8 minus plus k less than 0 and 28 plus k less than 0 and k should be less than negative 28. If k is less than negative 28, then this equation will have complex root. Part C. Find the exact root of the equation given, which is 9x square minus 36x plus 8 and negative 15. Switch on the left side, it will be plus 15. Then it is equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 9x square minus 36x and plus 23 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation and can be solved by using formula. So we know that the quadratic formula is negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. And a in this case is 9, b is negative 36 and c is 23. So plugging ABC, we will have x is equal to negative minus 36 plus minus under root. So negative 36 square minus 4a 9 times e means 23 over 2a means 2 times 9 and this one is equal to 36 plus minus under root 36 square minus 36 times 23 over 18. and this one is equals to 36 plus minus, taking 36 common, we will have 36 under root, and in another under root we will have 36 minus 23 over 18, and this one is equals to 36 plus minus 6 under root 30 over 18. So roots are 36 plus under root 13 over 18, or x is equals to 36 minus, sorry, this one 6 under root 13 over 18. These are the required roots of the given quadratic equation. Let's move to the question number 2.